the broadcast,
Marion hosted our annual open house.
staff gave us their favorite Thanksgiving recipes.
The Soul Sisters Club had their first meeting at the Turkey Trot.
On Sunday, November 20th, Marion hosted their annual open house. Here's an interview with Mrs. Peters.
Hi, I'm Sally Peters. I'm the Vice President of Enrollment Management at Marion High School. And in my role, I am responsible for all things recruitment. So I do a lot of work with our new Marion Ambassador program, which is comprised of 230 students here at Marion. And they work in various capacities from hosting VICs, our very important crusaders, which are our grade school guests, all the way to our Instagram team that manages our Be Marion account. We have girls that help with all kinds of events, including open house. We just celebrated open house this last weekend where we had upwards of 300 guests, 5th grade through 8th grade, prospective students who are interested in learning more about Marion. It was kind of an all hands on deck event. We had teachers that were amazing and presenting out the great rich curriculum that we offer here at Marion High School. We had our student ambassadors leading tours and all kinds of opportunities to build community in the quad. We had our food truck, so the amazing Hurtado family brought their Good Eats food truck so that prospective families could get a taste of our menu and what we offer for the lunch. So this year open house we made a few tweaks and adjustments from previous years. The first big adjustment was we offered pre-registration so that we could have line of sight into what their interests are and then curate specific tour routes that really honed in on their top interests. So as they launched through the Haddocks this year, which was a new kind of launching point, they would then embark on a really customized tour that was really fit to them and their interests. And then from there, they kind of weaved through the activity fair, which was in the cafeteria. Again, that space is bright, it's inviting, it's just more upbeat, especially with that new jukebox. The other thing that we did was we peeled the coaches out of the activity fair and really elevated athletics by having a lot more room for our families to navigate and engage with coaches and student athletes. Shout out to the Be Marion Instagram girls. They did a great job of creating that social wall where as families would take photos with their props and in front of those elf lights, they would tag Be Marion and then it would showcase on the social wall, which was really cool. I'm really proud of the core team. They were all the girls walking around in their hot pink kicks. They did a great job leading us and helping really execute on the day of open house. So thank you for all your work.
To celebrate Thanksgiving, the staff gave us their favorite Thanksgiving recipes.
The pumpkin bar recipe that I gave you came from my mother-in-law. It's a tried and true. I can't mess it up. Unless I leave it in the oven too long, it's perfect every time. So the pumpkin bars at Thanksgiving are sort of a backup to the pies that we have. So it's more of a snacky in between or we're watching football. I love to take the pumpkin bars to the tailgates that we have for Husker games because it makes a big sheet pan, feeds a lot of people, and everybody loves them. I got that recipe from my mother-in-law, who's no longer with us. And when she died a couple years ago, at the funeral, we printed the recipe on the back of the program. And to this day, people come up and say, I made Liz's pumpkin bars, and they turned out great, and the pumpkin bars always remind me of Liz. And it's just one of the reasons I love that recipe so much, because there's a history there. I love the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and my favorite group or float or whatever performance is the New York City Rockettes. I look forward to that every year.
My name is Susie Sullivan and I'm the principal. It's a tradition that I always bring pretzel jello salad. This Thanksgiving I went to my sister Kathleen Pallison's house. There were 24 people there, and we all bring different dishes to share as a family. My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is getting together with family. We usually have a big group. There's usually a few extra families in there that we are related to, which is great too, to share Thanksgiving with more than just our family.
Where did the recipe come from?
Actually, I got it from a friend of mine, Barb Efferding from Mary Queen. She brought it to an event up there, and I thought this is the best salad I've ever tasted. And I don't cook, so it's one of 2 things that I make ever in my life. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm grateful for all of you.
I bring the spinach salad always on Thanksgiving. I got the recipe from my mom. It's kind of handed down from in our family. I do watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in the morning. I actually got to go once when I was younger. My brother went to school out east, so we went in and went to the parade. So when I was younger, our traditions at Thanksgiving, we played football outside. If the weather was good, it was always cousins versus cousins. As I've gotten older and have kids, we play a lot of games around the table, whether it's cards, dice game. We just try to have fun.
Hi, I'm Michelle Ernst, and I made overnight mashed potatoes. I got the recipe from a cookbook that the Junior League of Omaha put together probably 15 years ago. I make this recipe with my family every year, and one of my daughters is a vegan, and you can do a vegan version of it, and they're just as good. We stand around the kitchen, and everybody holds hands, and we go around and say what we're thankful for.
This Thanksgiving, November 24th, the Marion Soul Sisters Running Club had their first meeting at the Omaha Turkey Trot. The event was held downtown at Charles Schwab Field. Founded by seniors Matilda Lang and Mary Ambrose, the club was made to get Marion girls involved with running, but without the time commitment or pressure, and to have fun exercising. Led by moderator Mrs. Tresek, the club crafted their own turkey costumes to sport at the 5K. We talked to some members of the club before the trot started.
I'm Lucy Ambrose.
I'm Maeve Morton.
And I joined Soul Sisters because my sister actually helped found the club with Miss Teresa and Miss Hennings.
I joined Soul Sisters because I wanted to run with my Marion friends after cross country.
I decided to do the turkey trot just to really test out my fitness. Super excited to see how this goes.
I did the turkey trot to have fun.
Oh. And what did you dress up as?
Let's do it.
A turkey.
I'm also a turkey.
The club's next event is the Candy Cane Run on December 10th. Please reach out to Mrs. Tresek, Matilda Lang, or Mary Ambrose if you are interested in joining the Soul Sisters Running Club.
Thanks for watching! Oh, gobble gobble.